guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a surprise guest today, Rainbow! Hi, Rainbow. She convinced me to do this video, mostly because the box has been sitting in my room, and I wasn't gonna get to it probably till next week, actually.
And I just really wanted to see it.
Because I have work, and she just really wants to see it. So if y'all have seen my Canada Today vlog, you know that I got a package. If you've seen my Instagram stories, I was hyping over it.
This is what I keep doing.
So go watch my Canada Today vlog. It's gonna be up there somewhere. Rambo's in it.
Oh, hello.
We watched a giant baseball game. But I know what y'all are here for. If you read the title, if you saw the freaking thumbnail, we're here for this bad boy.
He's beautiful.
Can't even see thing.
It's so
this one right here.
large.
So I did a little bit of shopping. The entire website was having a buy one get one sale, and I got a few things. So we're gonna open it up. I'm just gonna put it in front of us and chop, 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 chop.
Sit up.
Don't do that, kids. It's dangerous. Okay, I'm actually so excited. Like, this has been sitting in my room. I should probably take that out first. You know what? I'm sure it's fine. Let's just move it out of the way. I'm also like scared to like go that way because I'm gonna
slice my leg open. That's fine.
Okay.
It actually matches you already.
Opens the box, sees pink sparkles. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Beautiful already.
Oh my gosh. Can you just open?
I think you'd learn how to open boxes by now, Jay.
No. You see my last one? Like, obviously I don't know what I'm doing. Oh gosh. Okay, let's knock over the camera. Okay. So I wanted.
It's not even a shoe. It's like a beautiful.
Ow, 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 ow. I'm hurting myself. It's okay. Okay, so I wanted a new makeup bag because if I'm gonna go on trips, I need to be cute. And like my makeup bag that I used for Japan and like any time else is this like little sad black gross bag. So they had this bag on their website and I was like, yeah, I want this in my life. Where is the open? Here, you open that.
Okay.
I'll let her do the opening and I'll do the showing. It's fine. I have a personal opener.
That's me.
I'm very bougie now. I've like got my Gucci slide. I can afford it. It smells like new plastic.
It truly does.
I love it. Oh no, is the zipper broken? I'm crying. Is that just broken or does it just need to like...
Oh no. Maybe if you like zip it and then
zip it and then unzips it?
Yeah.
Okay. Perhaps that will fix it.
Oh no.
How does this work? Fix that.
Yes,
I have a personal fixer now too. I'm bougie like that. Okay, there we go.
Huzzah!
She got
my
it.
response.
Huzzah.
Let's just double check. It's back in business.
Okay, sweet.
Back in business.
So I got this, and I was thinking that I could also DIY some straps on it if I wanted to use it as a purse. But like, yum. It smells like plastic, but it's a sparkly. Oh, you can see the sparkles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes. Hashtag cheeky sparkles, maybe? Maybe, perhaps. So, yep, got this one. It's a big ass hecky makeup bag. Like, it does like the whole shabam. Let's get it out. Look, like it's got, oh, this opens more. Let's open you more. There we go. Look at that. Ooh.
Hecky.
If I was good at unboxings. Look, you can put your stuff in it. This is from the brand Sugar Thrillz. They're like my favorite brand on Dolls Kill, if I'm to be honest. TBH.
Here,
Okay,
allow me.
I'm gonna get the next thing out. Woohoo! So I've been eyeing this bag forever. All the kawaii creators own this bag. I have tried to get it on Depop. I've tried to get it on like Swappy Shoppy, Slop Shop, tradey things on Facebook, and they had it back in stock. So my little grubble hands decided to scoop it up, and that is the Skinnydip London Rainbow Pastel Purse.
It's so cute.
Which also smells strongly of plastic. But like, look, he's a happy rainbow. And he does come with the strap. I can hear him clunking around in here. Just casually put some trash on you.
That's okay.
Here he
That's what I'm
is.
here for.
Ooh, the
Ooh,
strap.
gold.
So like, yes, this is everything. Anyways, so I love this purse. It has got rainbows on both sides. One with the brand logo there. Ooh, and one without. Shock. Anyways, very cute. I
Also
love
doubles
these.
as a hat, perhaps?
Perhaps doubles as a hat.
I think yes. Absolutely.
Absolutely. So very cute. You can move that to the side. Okay, Shook. This is the part that I really was like waiting for. Was I ordered 2 pairs of shoes, and y'all know like I had an unboxing a few weeks, I don't know when this is gonna go up, but I had an unboxing of the Why Are You shoes. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it as well. I'll put a card up, like go watch my stuff. Please, love you.
Plug it in.
I unboxed things and I said I was gonna do a shoe video, but I don't want to do one until I get this done. So I'm doing it now, but okay. It's one of those foldy boxes. Okay, so the first one is from the brand Sugar Thrillz. Oh, it smells like shoe. I'm so weird, it's fine. Okay. Oh wait, should I unbox it for them first?
Yes.
Like a pizza. Okay, here we go.
Did you get a flowers anti-mold sticker? Yes,
probably.
you did.
Okay.
Multiple.
Okay, this is hard. I need to do this from this side. Okay. Can we still see? So I think these were the sandals.
Secret. Don't tell.
I love. Shh.
Allow me.
Thank you. So I think these are the sandals because I don't own sandals, and the sandals that I do own are black and I'm getting rid of. So here we can both unbox one.
Okay.
This is the bougie life of having 2 people. Yeah. So I got these because
My god.
I need sandals.
Oh my god.
And I thought these would be everything. Ram, are you shook?
I love these. They're so colorful.
We're holding the wrong feet.
Switch.
Ta-da! This is the Sugar Thrillz. I don't know what they're called, but like...
They have pink on the bottom. I already noticed this. I just actually noticed it. You know when you do
They're
that?
so cute. I got them in an 8 because I have Sugar Thrillz boots that I got in an 8, and I'm like, I'm probably an 8 if I'm with this
And
brand.
a little heart.
Plus, y'all know my tip. If you've seen my last video, always go up a size. Because if you size down, then your feet are just gonna hurt. So, these are really cute. These are really nicely made. The only thing I'm scared about is the plastic's hard and it will hurt my feet. But I think it should be okay. Doesn't look like it's gonna be. Doesn't look like it's gonna be a painful thing. I freaking love it. Like, can we just get a nice cheeky close-up heart? So pretty. I love.
Alright, well there's not too much more I can say about these shoes other than I absolutely love them. The color is beautiful. You will notice that they do look a little scruffed up because I didn't film this part until I was editing, and I had already worn them a couple times, and surprisingly, the plastic did not chafe into my feet. I absolutely love these shoes. I cannot wait to wear them with more cute and summery outfits.
Let's just put them back in the box for now. Okay. And then...
Beauty, beauty.
Okay, it goes like that. Okay, and then that goes that way. Okay, so these last pair are from the brand. From the brand. Oh, fix my shirt. From the brand Current Mood. Can we see it? Current Mood.
Love the rainbow.
I got them in a style. I got them in a size 8. Rambo, can you even guess what shoes these are? Can you guess what kind of shoes they are?
Bigger
Sandals,
one?
boots, sneakers.
Yes, not sandals.
Not
you just
sandals.
got
I just
sandals.
got sandals.
That's my detective. Jumping in.
Okay. Here for you.
A gift. More
Secret-
Lucky Flowers
more Lucky
anti-mold
Flowers.
stickers.
Anti-mold
My favorite.
So, okay, should we do it again where we did like the...
I don't even know.
They have this stinking paper on it.
It's my anti-mold stickers. Allow me.
These ones are stuck on them. Here.
Thanks.
Okay.
they
These are boots.
I guessed it.
Okay, wait. Which one? Okay, here.
Okay.
You hold.
They feel textured.
Oh gosh. They come with extra ones. It's like Christmas. I'm so excited. These are everything.
What?
Ramble's so intrigued on this shit I buy.
This is why I'm your biggest fan.
So Ramble has bigger feet.
I have huge feet.
And do you know that Doll's Kill goes like in the higher sizes? Like you could own these.
Can I own these?
You could own these. Wow. Hashtag not spots. Though I wish it was. Call me.
Wink wink.
Wink wink.
Out.
We'll do a whole little cheeky thing after I pull everything out. Jeez, okay.
Oh, should I also?
Sure. There's a
pull
lot.
everything
Oh wow, these are really nice.
Stuff.
They're really like smooth. And I also thought they were gonna be more booties, but I'm loving this. This is everything. Okay, so let's give you a close-up tour.
Far up tour.
What? And all of them have their little colors.
These are
so cute.
precious.
I love
Like Jado.
I love the Jado. They're so
So
great.
perfect for you.
They better fit.
A few moments later.
When you can't wait.
How does this work? There we go. Oh yes, baby.
Baby.
I feel like a fabulous go-go in this.
You are
These
a
are my,
fabulous
like,
go-go.
Go-go boots. Yes, these are everything. Okay, so they fit. That's awesome.
That little extra gemmy.
And then I got extra gems just in case they like fall off, which
Or
is
you
awesome.
want
Or if
to
I just want
add
to add
more?
more, perhaps. Perhaps not. I feel like that's a lot.
This is a lot. Never.
Nah.
Nah, dude.
Yeah, it's you know
There's room for more right
average.
down here.
OMG. Okay, so these boots have been on my wish list on Doll's Kill for, oh my gosh, the longest time, and I'm so glad that I was finally able to get them and snatch them up because I absolutely just love all the gems and they're just so pretty. I mean, what more is there to say? I just love them so much. Yep, that's all I got.
If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe.
I love it. Alright guys, that is all I have for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And check out my social media, the Instagram, the Twitter, the Rambo's Instagram. Do you have Twitter?
Nope.
Nope, she doesn't. But her Instagram, I will link it in the
Oh,
description
thanks, dude.
below.
That's sweet.
So you can check her out and all that, and because she'll be in future videos. And thank you for helping me unbox today.
You're welcome. Sorry for pressuring you into making a
It's
video.
fine.
I just
I
wanted
have
to
to-
see it a lot. I'm very impatient. I love
It's
you.
fine.
I'm your biggest
'Cause
fan.
Aww. I need to organize all of it now, and that's fine because I got cute things. But yeah,
Huzzah.
huzzah! That's everything. All right,
Goodbye.
bye guys. Bye.